Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got the Supwee Blooming Nail Polish Watercolor Ink 03 and 06 and Born Pretty Translucent Nail Gel. It's BPTSG01 called Nothing. I'm starting off with the Model 1's base coat. It's just a regular gel base coat on my Painted Desert Short Almond Nails. I've got the base coat down and cured, and here is, turn that bottle around, girl. It is the Nothing, and it's like a jelly white is what it is, translucent. So I'm going to do some coats of it to get us started. And I do love the Painted Desert tips. I cured that for 60 seconds, and now I'm going in with my second coat. I am doing a full set. I'm just showing the one nail right now, but I'm doing a full set. I will apply them to my nails and show you later in the video. After that coat, I cured it again 60 seconds, and here we go with a third coat. I was digging through my stuff, and I was having trouble finding like a solid white, so I wanted to build this one up a little bit. Gonna cure it another 60 seconds. I am wiping it off with some alcohol, and now I'm going to top it with the Model 1's matte top coat. Very easy peasy, super easy, especially using nail tips. And then I'm going to cure it for 60 seconds and then wipe it with alcohol again. Alright, so we got the Supwee. They're calling it Blooming Nail Polish. There are the numbers for it. It's alcohol inks. It's the best way for me to describe them to you. And I'm just going to play with these. Y'all going to get to see me play. And I love doing them on these tips because I can play, let them dry, walk away, come back, do some more. So I'm just swiping some of the blue on. I'll be swiping some yellow on here in just a little bit. And then I'm going to get out some just regular alcohol and play with it. Let's see what I can make these turn into. Alright, so the blue is done, and now we're going in with the yellow. And I know between this manicure and maybe another one or two, you're probably going to be thinking, Tina, why so many blue and yellow manis? Well, it's because I had some collabs that I was working on, and these ended up not looking like I needed them to, so I couldn't submit them for the collab because the colors kind of bled too much. And there we go with the alcohol. See, I told you I was going to play with it. We'll be adding some more layers of the colors too. But the colors kind of went green, and green was not one of the colors I was supposed to be using in the collab. So I decided I would just share this one anyway. I did it, so I wanted to share, you know. It's not often that I play with blooming ink gels. I don't know why they're calling them blooming though, because that just doesn't make sense to me. The blooming polish is a whole nother thing, which I've got a video coming up soon with that also. So you can see I'm just dipping in my alcohol with my little detail brush and just kind of dabbing around on the nails. This is so abstract and so, you know, it just does its own thing. It's not like you can really pick a design and just stick with that one and every nail look exactly the same. It's kind of like water marbling. It's not going to happen like that. But I do really like how this turned out in the end when we get there. I really liked how it turned out. And I have to be straight up honest. I am really loving the almond shaped nails. Next to the coffin, I think almond is probably my next favorite. I don't know, for some reason I'm digging them right now. They're really have been my jam here lately. And you can see as you dab the alcohol on, it kind of starts making it run and pool and mingle and blend, and it's just cool. I love it. I just think it's way fun. And I plan on playing some more because these are some of my new goodies, and you know, actually I hadn't even done the haul on these actual alcohol inks, but it's all good. I'll share it. I promise. Try to share everything. The good, the bad, the ugly, the fun, the hauls. I'll be sharing everything. Or at least try. You know, because like I said, I don't always do the hauls. But we're getting better. Alright, so I've decided I need a little more colors. So I'm just swiping some more. We swiping, out of frame, swiping even. But we're going to get them all swiped. Then we're going to play with them some more. And if you end up doing these and you really don't like them, you know, take some alcohol to them, wipe them down, and just start over. Or do like I'm doing and just keep adding until you do like it. I wasn't wiping them down and starting over. I was like, nope, let's just roll with it and see where we end up. And I'm glad I did that because there were points of this manicure I was thinking, oh no. Oh no, I don't like it. But then as it, you know, morphed, I liked it more and more. You just tap it with your brush, let the alcohol do the work. A little dot of blue there. Let's see what that'll do. Oh, that's kind of cool. I just really enjoy different forms of artwork. So for me, this was just fun. Just play with it. And once you put that top coat on it, especially for me, the glossy top coat, I was like, ooh, ooh. And here we go. And after they're totally dry, that's when you'll top coat. I'll be using Model 1's top coat today. And you can see I've already done the other ones. Look at that. They're just so pretty. So here we go with the top coat real quick. I'm pretty sure I didn't have to wipe. Yeah, this was a no wipe top coat. And I cured it for 60 seconds. And then I'm putting it on my nail with one of those nail sticky tape things. And look at that. How cute. And there is my swatch photo. I do hope you enjoyed it. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.